What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. I haven't posted since like last year, maybe. Well, it's a happy late new year to everyone. So I'm gonna be meeting up with Bryx, Jordan, and if you guys don't know Kenneth, he used to be in one of the beginning videos. He bought a brand new G80 M3, I think, which is like Jordan's dream car. So, but like the reason why I wanted to make this video, one, I haven't posted a video in like so long, but I wanted to like, Jordan told me, hold on, let me start over. So if you guys don't know, I bought a 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, and it came like a little modified already. It came with the lift kit, wheels, suspension, everything. But ever since I bought that car, I haven't done anything, and I kind of like neglected the Supra. Or Jordan's calling me right now, but I can show you guys how like dirty and filthy the car is. Jordan told me that I need to like fall in love with the Supra all over again, and I wanted to ask you guys, what should I do next? What was in mind was like either the Adro front lip or the front bumper, which is like, it's like super expensive, or should I do like color changing PPF, or I'm thinking like if I do color changing PPF, I want to do a green or a gray, or should I get new wheels for the car? I kind of want new wheels for the Land Cruiser, but let me know what you guys think. I'm going to meet up with Jordan literally right now, and I'll show you how much I've neglected the car. I drive this car like, what, once, twice a month, which is really bad, to be honest. But yes, I'm about to pull up with him right now. Alright, so this is my absolutely filthy car. I was telling Jordan that I didn't want to wash it, but because I haven't driven in like a week, 2 weeks. I drive this car, like I said, every once or twice a month, but look how filthy it is. It just rained a little bit this morning, and like I said, I want the front Adro bumper lift kit or whatever it is. I have the T37, the Ultra Track Edition 2s. I really want some BBS wheels, but that's like $6K or something like that. I have the Adro wing and Adro diffuser, and Jordan, he's over there, he'll say hi later. He actually wants the Adro kit. I was trying to convince him to get the wing. I don't know what he's gonna get, but we're gonna meet up with Kenneth. We're gonna be meeting up with Kenneth and Bryx soon. But I don't know, man. I really don't know what I want to get. I kind of want to get wheels for the Land Cruiser. I don't know, man. Decisions. But yeah, let's wash the car really quick. So not bad for like a $10 wash. It was like, I still need to, the reason why I want to get the front Adro bumper is because of this. If you guys don't remember, I got like some car like backed into my car at the Disneyland parking lot, but I really want to get like the Adro front bumper, and look who showed up. Jordan's car. Say hello, Mr. Scrubman.
Hello. Howdy.
Dude, look at this man's arm. Like, pause.
It's coming out, dude.
That's what I'm saying.
It's fucking ripping through.
But yes, we are going to be heading over to Kenneth to see Jordan's dream car real quick. He's going to get all sad, but it's okay. Hopefully he'll let him drive it, but I doubt it. We'll see. Yes, sir. Before we head out, I was trying to tell Jordan to get the full Adro kit. He wants to get like these other little accessories. I was trying to tell him to get the big wang, because he's always telling me to get the big wang. Do you think he should get the wing?
You should get the wang.
Honestly, he should make it louder.
You should get.
Okay.
You should get headers.
I would want headers, dude. I just remember it, dude. I don't want to keep getting pulled over.
But yes, you should get the Adro wing to give it like the swan neck in the back. So it gives the rear end. Or, I was telling this man to get a big brake kit.
Oh.
I think that he should get yellow calipers. He should get the UCLA spec. I actually saw a Type R.
No, I don't want that.
Bryx,
It's Bryx.
Bryx. I'm gonna need your input. What color? He wants to get. I want him to get a big brake kit. I want him to get
I was
calipers.
thinking black.
No.
Black calipers?
Yellow.
Black caliper. He wants me to go yellow.
Yellow with blue? I don't know.
Yeah,
Dude.
with white too.
But black is too like.
But it just matches all the other accents.
So if you get black, you need to get like
white lettering.
White lettering.
Yeah,
yes.
that's it.
But
That
like,
would look sick.
I that's what I first said.
Oh, okay.
But think about when he's like rolling and stuff. With the black, it just looks like not much.
During the day, you could see it. At night, like night shots, you can't see jack shit.
I mean, you know, you really.
I'm gonna change mine. I'm gonna get yellow. I'm gonna fucking powder cut my shit.
Okay, his would look good with yellow though.
Yours would look good too with the white wheels. It would complement it so well.
Put in the comments. What color do you think you should get? What do you think goes with his?
Yellow.
I'm
gonna make a bunch of
what's a good combo with his blue and white? You know.
See, look. Okay, that's not the good one. We need to go to the front one because the front one will have more of a. Okay, look. See, I think it would complement it so well with his nasty ass caliper. What is that?
I don't know.
Dude,
it's fucking nasty, dude. I can't clean that.
that looks disgusting.
Bryx, what is this?
But I think he
What
should
is
get
this?
yellow calipers.
Why is it like that?
But yes, let us know what color he should get. Comment yellow, comment yellow. How do you feel?
I want one.
I love the orange interior. I don't want to touch anything. Dude, it looks good. It sounds good
Does it have
too.
the little like valve?
You can't see it from here, but
Calipers are massive.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
make it sound like an EV.
Yeah.
The kit license plate. You should get the kit like door.
Oh, to what?
There's like a CSL. Yeah.
Go ahead. Open up your drink car.
No.
Go ahead.
Here, bro. No. Oh, that's not my car, dude. God damn. I'm gonna take these off and put in the front. Yeah, that's gonna be fucking sick.
It's gonna be this whole thing, right?
Yeah, these are nice intakes, but the other ones sound like insane.
You can hear it better, right?
You can hear it way better.
Is it like carbon too?
Can we hear it?
No.
Is this
Wanna
gonna,
hear
it's
it?
gonna look
Yeah,
solid?
I know Jordan does.
I already know. I already know the sound.
No, with you revving it. It's pretty warm too. That's some good stock. Not bad. Not bad. I like it. I want one.
Let me go to the back.
Yeah, let's go to the back. Let's go to the back.
Alright, comfort mode.
Oh, was that comfort mode?
Oh
What is this comfort mode? Oh shit. Sports
That sounds good. Jesus. Wow, I like it. we spent like 2 hours taking photos. Follow this man at
I forgot.
whatever, I'll put it on the screen. And follow this guy on his journey with his G80
It's like
M3.
90 bucks.
You want to tell them what your plans are for this car and where they can find you?
My Instagram's G80Ken, and I have a lot of plans. Stay tuned. Check out my
What is
Instagram.
that?
Oh, this is my first mod.
Your radar detector?
Radar detector.
Smart man. For legal purposes, he lives in Mexico.
Yeah.
That's sick, man.
Yeah.
I love it. Jordan's jealous. And we're gonna go get cream barbecue. How do you feel
Dude,
about Kenneth's car?
Look at it's still going.
That's literally insane. Dude, it looks so good. But yes, comment for him to get yellow calipers. Where is it? Yellow calipers. But yeah, I just want to say thank you. Say bye.
Later.
Follow this man on Instagram. Say bye. Are you gonna do your little weird little thingy?
What weird little thingy?
Yeah, we're saying bye. We're gonna go get food right now.
Oh, my weird little thingy.